Hello students, welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is a processing writing. Mask making. Nowadays, mask is an essential item to protect our nose and mouth. It protects us from dust and viral infections. The process of making a mask is very easy and cheap. At first, a clean piece of cloth is collected from the market. Then it is cut into two pieces measuring 10 by 6 inch in a rectangular shape. Next, two pieces are sewed to make it one. Thereafter, the cloth is folded over the long sides 1 by 4 inch and hemmed. In the same way, it is folded by half inch along the short sides and stitched. Later, a 6 inch elastic is inserted to each side of the cloth to make ear loops. After that, loops are knotted. Now it is ready to wear a mask. Thank you for watching. Stay with me and like, share, subscribe.